Welcome back to Maker Garage 101. Today, I'm revisiting a project I built about 5 years ago, my main workbench. When I first built this bench, I added a center riser on the bottom shelf. Good idea, bad location. It's bothered me for years, and with my mobility now more limited, it's time to fix what I've been putting off. This little design flaw made everyday tasks harder than they needed to be. I didn't want to spend any money fixing it, but I did want better access and smarter storage. I looked around the shop and gathered leftover 3/4-inch plywood and a few boards. The goal? Rebuild the shelf system using what I already had. First, I removed the old shelf and trimmed it to fit along one of the long sides of the bench base. I mounted it using plywood blocks anchored to the corner 4x4 posts. Then, I moved to the opposite long side. I found 2 long boards, mounted them side by side, and trimmed them to size for a snug fit. Each shelf is spaced 10 inches above the base. That leaves about 7 inches of usable space on top of the shelf, for parts, bins, or tools. With the long sides done, I built 2 short shelves to bridge between them, simple cuts, just enough length to fit each end snugly, screwed them directly into the side shelves. It's not fancy, but it works. I spent $0, gained better access, and created 4 practical storage zones under my bench. Sometimes the best improvements don't need to be pretty, they just need to solve the problem. And this solved a big one for me. If this inspired a fix in your own shop, drop a comment below. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next build.